Hello students, today we will study about Geography class 12 chapter 2 and your topic is the world population, distribution, density and growth. Dear students, I would like to tell about the population that why do we need study about the population. We need to study about the population because we must know about the quantity of the population and the well strength of the population so that the government can check out the proper plan for the population development and through this we can develop our country also because we could be able to know our human strength. That means how much working population live here, how much educated population are found here, and what are the basic needs by which we can develop our population. That means we can make our population so strong. That is why we need to study about the population. Population is the main source of the country's development. We must keep it in our mind. Now here I would like to show you that pattern of the distribution in the world. Pattern of the population distribution in the world. Well, dear students, just see the line pattern of the population, distribution and density. Here is talking about distribution and density both. Help us to understand the demographic characteristic of any area. As I have already told you that the distribution usually tell about the demographic characteristic. That means what kind of the population is usually found an area, and it is very necessary to know about the nature of the population, that what quality of the population live exactly. Now here the important fact is given that broadly 90% of the world population lives in about 10% of its land area. That means 90% of the world population, all over the world population which is found on the surface, the 90% of the population, world population live on 10% land area. Always remember only 10% and rest 90%, and rest 90% the natural elements are situated on the surface. Now you can see the data which is given in your book, and consistently the population, the large having large population country having low or a small number of population countries is given already. Then we know very well that China is in the first position and India is second position, then USA is there, and you can see that all the countries consistently, and this graph will show you the exact data, and by through you can know very well that which country is having a large population and which country is having a very small number of a population. Now let's learn about the density of the population. What is the density of the population? Well, you have been study about density of population in your previous class, like this concept is related with 6 and 7 class. Now but despite of it, I would like to tell you once again that what is the density. Well, dear students, density is related with person per square kilometer. That means in a 1 square kilometer how many people live here or how many persons found in particular area, and this is measured in per square kilometer, the area which is measured in square. That means this is 1 square kilometer area and how many people are living here, and this is known as density of population. Is that clear? Now population measured has some example is given. The formula is that the density of the population equal to the number of population which is found in particular area, and this is measurement of area. For example, area of region X. Suppose that the area is X is 100 square kilometer and the population is 1,50,000 person. The density of population is calculated as density equal to number of the population, which is given already in the question, 1,50,000 divided by area. Area, that means 100 square kilometer, and your answer would be 1,500 person live in that particular area. 1,500 person per square kilometer the population is exactly found that particular area.